Welcome to today's video lesson. Today we are studying persuasive writing. In this video lesson, we will try to understand what persuasive writing is, what are the reasons for writing it, how it is written, and what are some elements of persuasive writing that are found in posters. So what is persuasive writing? Persuasive writing is a form of opinion writing. So it is based on what you feel and what you believe. You will now see two sentences on your screen. Read them carefully. He persuaded people not to waste water. The government is trying to persuade people to stay at home due to coronavirus. Can you guess what the word persuasive means by looking at these sentences? Yes, you are right. To persuade means to convince. We use persuasive writing when we want someone to believe what we believe, or we want someone to do something we want them to do. We are now going to look at 5 basic steps of persuasive writing, and together we will apply them to an example. Step 1. Decide your topic. Let's say, as an example, I want to persuade people to save water. Step 2. Choose the medium of persuasive writing. Decide, do you want to write a persuasive letter, an article? Would you like to make an advertisement or some other form of persuasive writing? Here I want to make a poster to help me spread the message of saving water. Step 3. Now I have to think of a title. By looking at a title, people immediately get an idea about what I want to talk about. Remember, the title has to be precise. It means that it has to be to the point. The title has to be connected to your topic, and it has to be creative so that people can be attracted to my poster. The title also has to stand out in some way. So you can make it colorful, you can make it bigger in size, you could highlight it, and just be creative with it. This is the time to let your inner artist out. Can you help me choose a suitable title for my poster on Save Water? Let's look at some of the options for a title. We should all save water. Interesting. Water is life. Save water, save life. Which one do you think is the best title for my topic here? Let's discuss them together one by one. What do you think about the first one? We should all save water. Do you think this can be a good title? It is not a good title, I think, because there is nothing creative about this statement. There is no difference seen here between a title and an ordinary sentence. Would you agree? Let's move on to the next. The second one seems a bit better, doesn't it? Water is life, but it doesn't tell the reader that I want to give them information about why water is precious because it is limited. So it is giving incomplete information in some way. I like the last one, don't you? I think it is a good title because it tells the reader immediately that I will be talking about saving water because water is important to living. Step 5. Now that my title is decided, I have to convince people by giving at least 2 good points to support my topic. Otherwise, why would they believe me? But how can I convince them? First, we must find strong points by researching. We can find good information from the internet, books, newspapers, and even from talking to different people. Now I need your help again. Can you help me please decide which of these 4 points will make a good argument for my topic? Point 1. We have limited fresh water on Earth. Point 2. No living thing can survive without water. Point 3. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water. Point 4. Saving water will lower the water bills. Let's look at the first one. Do you think it's okay? Yes, because it says that we have only little water available to use. If we waste it, there will be no water left on earth and we could all die. So it is related to my topic. Save water, save life. Second is also related to my topic. Like the first one was, saving water will save lives. Let's look at the third option now. Even though we really should drink more water, but it is not related to my topic right now. It is irrelevant to my topic because I want to focus on saving water so that life on earth can survive. The last one now. What do you think? Is it relevant to my topic or not? I don't think it is relevant to my topic either because this point is focusing on the water bills. I can't make this argument in my poster. Step 5. This step is about finding some images or pictures to put on your poster. So this is the fun part. You can even draw these images yourself or find some on the internet. Yay, we have completed our 5 steps to poster making. Thank you for helping me. Our poster is ready. Do you like it? You can see that the title is written in big words so people can clearly see it. I have also used color blue because it represents water. I have used one image that is related to my topic, and I have given some points that I researched on internet. I hope it will convince people to save water.